Using Apple Pay on the OMNY system at NYC subway stations is incredibly convenient and makes your commute much smoother. Let's get you set up. First, ensure your device is ready for iPhone users. Open the Wallet app for Apple Watch. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and navigate to Wallet and Apple Pay. Next, it's time to add your preferred payment method. Tap the plus sign in the upper right corner to add a new card. You can use credit, debit, or even a prepaid card. You have the option to scan your physical card or manually enter the details. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your card with your bank, which usually involves a quick text message or email. Once added, you can designate a default card for OMNY payments to speed up your tap. This means you won't need to select it every time you pay. Now for the fun part, tapping in. When you approach the OMNY reader at the subway turnstile, simply hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the circular OMNY symbol. For iPhone, you might need to double-click the side button for Face ID or Touch ID authentication, or simply have your phone unlocked for Apple Watch. Just hold it near the reader. A quick beep and a green checkmark on the OMNY reader confirms your payment, and that's it. You're ready to ride with the ultimate convenience. No more swiping, no more lost Metro cards, just seamless, contactless payments. Enjoy your ride.